Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are doing another installment to the Christmas edible gifts. We are making, what is this stuff called? Christmas crack toffee? I don't know what it is, but it's good. Join us today for this video. Be sure and give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Let's get started on today's video. What you need to do is melt 2 sticks of butter. This is just a pound block, and just gonna get this to melting good, and then we're gonna add in our brown sugar. Okay, I'm gonna add in my brown sugar and let that all melt down. Wanting to dissolve down your brown sugar. Okay, as soon as the rest of that butter melts, we're going to bring you back over here, and I'm going to show you the next step of making this amazing little Christmas candy. So I'm going to bring our caramel sauce over here, and I'm just going to pour it over as evenly as I can over our crackers. It's taking a little over a sleeve of crackers. You just want to get it as even as possible. You can, I'm going to spread it out with a knife, but okay. Set this back here. I'm just going to, if you had one of those little nice pastry knives, it would be really nice for this, but I don't. So I'm just using a butter knife and just try to get all your crackers well coated. And you're going to pop it in the oven in a 400-degree oven for 5 minutes. Okay? All right. Take a little clothespins off here. We're going to bake this for 5 minutes. Okay, so we're going to take it out. Be very careful, guys, because this is extremely hot, and it will burn you. Okay? Now, here's where mine is a little bit different than a lot of people's. First, we are going to add peanut butter chips. Because, I mean, who doesn't like peanut butter and chocolate? I mean, unless you have like an allergy to peanut butter. I feel sorry for those folks. I really do, in all sincerity. So we're going to add some peanut butter chips. And then we're going to add some semi-sweet chocolate chips. Because, yeah, it's going to be that good. And just try to cover up all your little spaces here. Because you want lots and lots and lots and lots of chocolate. It's going to go back in the oven for about, 2 or 3 minutes. And let your chocolate melt back down and your peanut butter. So let's pop this back in the oven for just a couple. Okay, we're going to pull it out. Let it sit here. And we're going to start trying to spread this out a little bit. And you're just going to want to try to gently spread it over our crackers. This is going to be so good, and it's going to look so pretty with the peanut butter. Yeah, look at that, guys. Come on. Who doesn't like peanut butter and chocolate? You know Reese's is like the #1 candy in the country. I know it's my favorite. Don't touch it, that's hot. Thought I canceled that. Okay. And because I'm extra, by the way, this is going to be in the edible Christmas gifts or holiday gift playlist. This is another perfect gift for friends and family, coworkers. You crack this up, you give it to them. Like I said, because I'm a little extra, yes, I am putting pecans on it. But I'm just putting pecans on half of it. Because, you know, that argument with my family, the pecans don't belong on everything. Yes, it does. So, I'm just putting pecans on half. My half. Okay, guys, we're going to let this set up in the refrigerator for about probably an hour. I don't know that it would take that long, but I'll bring y'all back and we will show you what it looks like and we'll crack it up. Okay, we'll see you back in a minute. It is set and we're just going to lift it up and then you just want to start cracking it up. Look how pretty that looks. It's your pretty plate. Just breaking it up. And the beauty of this is that your friends are going to love it. And they're going to love you for it. That is so good. The peanut butter and chocolate combination is just a really good combination. Now, if you wanted to get all
fancy, cut it with a knife, you can, but you know, I like the mix mash pieces. That way, somebody just wants a bite of it, they can have a little bite. If somebody wants a big piece, they can have a big piece. But there you go, my friends. Try this. Like I said, this is going to go into the playlist that is making edible gifts for friends and families for the holidays. Let's get a close-up look at that. Isn't that awesome? All right, my friends. Thank you for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. I hope you will give this video a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe, and all that fun stuff. We'll see you on the next video.